So, you've got your shiny new Beam wallet, but how do you actually get money into it? It's a great question, and one we're going to answer today. Understanding Beam Wallet. Before we dive into the specifics, let's quickly recap what Beam Wallet is. It's a non-custodial wallet, meaning you're the sole owner of your private keys. This is a big deal, as it gives you complete control over your funds. How to fund your Beam wallet. Now, let's get to the meat of the matter. There are primarily two methods to fund your Beam wallet. Purchasing Beam directly. Crypto exchanges. Many cryptocurrency exchanges allow you to buy Beam directly using fiat currencies like USD, Euro, or your local currency. Once purchased, you can transfer the Beam to your Beam wallet address. Peer-to-peer exchanges. Platforms like local bitcoins or Pax will connect you with other individuals who are willing to sell Beam for fiat currency. After completing the transaction, you will receive the Beam, which you can then transfer to your wallet. Receiving Beam from others. Beam addresses. Just like traditional bank accounts, Beam wallets have unique addresses. You can share this address with friends, family, or businesses to receive Beam payments. QR codes. Many Beam wallets generate QR codes that can be scanned to easily input addresses. This is a convenient way to receive payments, especially on mobile devices. Key considerations. Security. Always prioritize security when handling your Beam. Use strong, unique passwords, and enable two-factor authentication, 2FA, if available. Be cautious of phishing scams and avoid sharing your seed phrase with anyone. Fees. Be aware of transaction fees, which can vary depending on network congestion. Consider timing your transactions to minimize fees. Privacy. Beam is a privacy-focused cryptocurrency. However, it's essential to use it responsibly and follow local regulations. Funding your Beam wallet is a straightforward process, but it's crucial to understand the methods and security implications. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can confidently manage your Beam and enjoy the benefits of this innovative cryptocurrency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.